If you've developed a symbol such as the one here and want to turn it into a symbol or a block that you use within this drawing, you simply select Create a Block, and we'll call it TT. We'll pick the block in the middle and we'll go OK, and that now becomes a block, and it makes it easy to copy that symbol. But that symbol is only available in this drawing. Here's another example, one that I've called a 7-foot bushy shrub. If I want to use that in other drawings, and the same would apply to the TT one we just made, I would select it and right click and copy to the clipboard. Then I'd say File and New, start a brand new drawing. I'd probably use No Template and then right click and paste what we're copying from the clipboard into this new environment, and I'd specify the insertion point pretty much anywhere. Then Zoom Extents. Let's change the view to background color white, and let's turn on all the layers. There's a construction layer there. So here's what will be potentially a new symbol. I might pick that outside polyline, and when I try and do that, can you see it's still a block? So we'll explode everything there. We'll go to the blocks area and delete that block. So we've broken everything down in this new drawing to its constituent parts. I'll pick that outer polyline and do some curve fitting to it, makes it a little softer. I will move everything here to center on position 0, 0 coordinate. There we are. Select everything, move, pick there and type 0, 0. Right click and Zoom Extents. That means when we use this drawing in any other drawing, when it comes in, it'll be anchored at that insertion point there. At that point, I can turn off the construction layer. Now it's just a matter of putting this symbol wherever we want it. The designer here has customized using tools and set library paths, and has set the My Symbols folder to be inside JME Designs. So that makes the logical space to put it. So we'll go File and Save As. We'll put this new one we've made, which we call 7-foot bush. I'll just overwrite it for now. And that means whenever we start a brand new drawing, let's do that. Let's start with the funky template. And if we wanted to create a drawing here and we wanted one of the symbols that we've just made, we just say Library, Plants, My Symbols, and there's our 7-foot bush, and it's telling me the file's in use, of course. So let me just go to the 7-foot bush and close it, and then try again. Library, Plants, My Symbols. There's the 7-foot bush, and we can open it up and insert it in this drawing, and in it goes. The same applies to other symbols that we put in there. If we want to bring in a 18-inch planter, we pick Insert into this drawing, and in it goes. Can you see that one needs some attention? It's not anchored where it should be, in the middle of the block. So this one's behaving nicely with a base point in the center. This one needs a little work. So I hope that covers how to make blocks inside a drawing, that they stay in a drawing, but if you want them to move outside of the drawing, just copy them to the clipboard, clean them up, move everything such that your entities are centered on 0, 0, and save it somewhere where you can access it easily.